Hello everyone and welcome back to Sandy Says. In today's video I'm going to show you how to open the GRACO Ready2Grow 2.0 double stroller. Before I do that, I just want to remind you, if you are new, welcome, and please hit that subscribe button down below. I upload videos every week, one on an item your child will need, one on an item your child will want, and a third on an activity your child can do. The first thing you're going to want to do is find the latch on the right side of the stroller. It's towards the bottom and it should be black. Simply lift up on that latch, and then once you have done that, you're going to want to pull up on the handlebars. The stroller should just smoothly unfold and then pull it up until it clicks. You can put some weight on the to stabilize. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you are new, please be sure to hit the subscribe button down below. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. I appreciate you. If you have any questions, please comment down below. I will do my best to answer them. And as always, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!